Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. I'm going to sharpen my lawnmower blade with these knife stone sharpeners. You just put it on your drill bit or on your drill, and you're supposed to be able to sharpen them. It says you can sharpen mower blades, fruit blade, weeding scissors, outdoor knife, kitchen knife. So we're going to give it a shot. Hopefully it works out good. Here we go. It's working okay. It's not too sharp yet. Just give us a go. Some more. Looks like I've already broke the spring. Let's get another one out. It comes 3 to a box. Yeah, I already broke the spring on the other one. This one's a lot tighter. Wear your safety glasses. These are $12. My honest opinion, I wouldn't waste my money. I've already gone through 2 of them. The springs are broke. And the blade's not even sharp, it's still dull. I'll probably just get my bench grinder out and finish it off. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. My opinion, I would not purchase these thinking they're going to sharpen your lawnmower blade. All 3 are going to be just one-time use. They fall apart. This one fell completely apart. The tension came off of this one. One of the springs broke, so it wasn't tight enough to put an edge on the blade. This one stayed intact. I mean, it's pretty tight, but it still didn't really put an edge on my lawnmower blade. So in my opinion, I wouldn't purchase these. I would just put that money towards a new blade, and that's my opinion. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.